Well, here I am at the Alamo Drafthouse in Boston, Massachusetts. This is the time capsule that they're doing. They're actually in the 17th. They're playing Pet Cemetery, 35th anniversary. All time capsules. These are all giant posters on the wall. This is cool. I love this place. I'm gonna have to come back here more. James Bond. These are some of the movies they're playing today. Evil does not exist. That sounds good too. Some of their pictures on the wall. It's a pretty big to do. I love this place. And the women are pretty hot too. Full function bar.